I am a big proponent of active learning and experiential learning. So the Paleoskills workshop is one implementation of experiential learning, specifically where students can interact with Paleolithical weapons and tools and experiment with them to understand the ingenuity of early humans. They're getting the information just like they would in class. Instead of a lecture format, they're getting it while they're also experimenting with that object, which I think was very impactful.
I've become a better teacher as I try to incorporate actually less material into lecture and then try to operationalize essentially more hands-on learning experiences for students. I think students really learn through experience. In anthropology, there's no other way to learn about ceramics or stone tools or hunting technologies other than to just really learn about it through seeing the artifacts and handling them. And in this case, through Paleoskills, also trying to implement some indigenous technologies on Chamberlain Field on a beautiful Saturday.
I think that active learning, it takes imagination on the part of the instructor, but I think that it's worth it, and it's worth it to not just abandon an activity if it's not successful, but to keep playing with it.
I think that's what's fascinating at UTC, is that across disciplines, everybody is seeking new ways to connect with students and new ways to make our subject matters kind of come alive. Hosting events like Paleoskills has helped us to kind of bring what we're studying to campus in a way that previously was impossible.
The new implementation this semester was the use of slings. In fact, I had one of my students who stayed there for 2 hours until he got the skill down and was actually able to hit the trash can. And I think what we would like to do in the future is that we actually got some of the students involved in creating some of the tools that were used. And this is something that we want to develop so that students keep this workshop going, that they learn how to actually create their own gear and maybe experiment with it, throughout the year, not just at our workshop.
It's also very rewarding to see students start to gain a skill and to learn that they can do something that they never really thought that they could do or have the opportunity to do, like throwing spears, right? It's not a skill set that we normally develop in our everyday lives, but it's remarkable to see students really take ownership of those practices and then really excel at them in a way that is brand new.